Hi everyone, I'm Tammy from Sitemate. Traditional methods for fire door inspections can lead to inefficient handling of files and photos. Dashpivot simplifies this by allowing real-time documentation and photo capture directly into the app, with built-in approval workflows for quality management. You'll also be able to easily export and share completed records from your mobile phone. Let's have a look at how this works. In Dashpivot, you can create a fire door inspection template entirely from scratch or choose from our public template library, which offers many ready-to-use templates. Search for what you need in the search bar, and you can preview the format before adding it into your workspace. Everything that you see here is fully customizable once added. With the template ready to go, you can start filling out digital inspections. Our standard fire door inspection templates include text fields for information taking, drop-down lists to make it easier to fill out the forms, tables for the checks along with columns for photos, and then approval stages. You can also attach a PDF document at the end of your form. Once saved, the forms will be saved and organized in stages like this. This is what we call a workflow template. This is suited for forms that have multiple stages, sections, or stakeholders involved, with automatic notifications available to alert relevant parties. For example, for the first column, you might want to set this for the creator so that if the form has been pushed back, the creator of the inspection form will be notified that they need to action this. Forms advance to the next workflow stage using the approval signature. So let's sign this and see what happens here. So you can see the form that I've just completed is now moved into the next column. All forms are also automatically compiled into a register, where information for all of the forms completed can be viewed in a table format. You can also use filters to find relevant forms, such as filtering by the different stages or job references, and then export these data as CSV or PDF. For template editing, Dashpivot features a user-friendly drag-and-drop system for the template builder, allowing you to format your template to best suit your organization's needs. There are many different types of fields available for you to choose from, and you can rearrange any of these fields as you see fit. To ensure that unique and important information is captured and not duplicated, fields can be made required and exclude from form cloning. These options can be found in the field settings for each of the field block. You can also implement logic for approval signatures to specify who can sign off at different stages. This feature will give you greater control over your documents. So as an example here, I just want to make sure that this first signature stage, only the creator of the form is allowed to sign the document. Photos can be found in the Photos tab within your team folders. Tags can be created and applied for easy filtering when you're looking for specific images. GPS location data can also be captured if the photos are taken on the Dashpivot mobile and tablet app. These inspections can be created and completed using your mobile or tablet for easy access. The forms are organized just like on the web access. You can continue working on the existing inspections or create a new one using the plus button. Photos can be taken directly on the app, or you can choose from your device gallery. Once taken or uploaded, they can be marked up to highlight details. If you have created tags, they can also be applied during this step for easy searching later on. Stamps are also available to display information such as the date and time, folder names, descriptions, and more. You can change this in your photo stamp preferences in your settings. Once completed and you need to share a copy of this document with others right away, you don't have to use the computer to export it. Instead, you can send this as a PDF file via an email directly from the app. The app works offline and is available on both iOS and Android devices, making this process even more accessible for all personnel involved, whether they are in the field doing the work or in the office. Dashpivot can be used for many other use cases, and data can be synced to external tools such as Excel, Power BI, SharePoint, etc. using our integration product FlowSite. With this, you can seamlessly transfer your data from Dashpivot to your preferred data analytics, accountings, or any other tools. Try Dashpivot for fire door inspections today using our sign up link and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.